The concluding process in procurement management knowledge area is closed procurements. Closed procurements is the process of completing each project procurement. It supports the closed project or phase process since it involves verification that all work and deliverables were acceptable. This process involves administrative activities such as finalizing open claims, updating records, and archiving information for future use. Essentially, this process is really about closing all the procurement processes for the project or a phase of the project. The key inputs in this process include the project management plan, which contains the procurement management plan, and it provides the details and guidelines for closing out procurements. Procurement documents include any and all procurement documentation, and it should be collected, indexed, and filed to close the contract. The key tools and techniques that will be helpful in this process are procurement audits, procurement negotiations, and the records management system. For procurement audits, we should conduct an end-to-end review of the procurement processes and assess what went well and identify any areas for improvement, either on this project or on any future projects. Consider this a lessons learned exercise. We also settle and close out any outstanding payments, deliverables, and resolve any disputes by way of procurement negotiations. Finally, we will archive all associated procurement documents in something we officially call a records management system. The two key outputs in this process are closed procurements and organizational process asset updates. In closed procurements, the buyer informs the seller, usually in writing, that the contract has been accepted or rejected. In case of rejection, the contract should specify how to address this. Any and all documentation should become part of what we call organizational process asset updates and would include the procurement file, deliverable acceptance, and of course, your lessons learned documentation with recommendations on different approaches or process improvement ideas for future projects. Is closed procurement management simple compared to other processes in the project procurement management knowledge area? Well, it does have fewer inputs, uses fewer tools and techniques, and produces fewer outputs. Yet it is a crucial process that supports the closed project or phase process by ensuring contractual agreements are completed or terminated. The legal implications of ending a contract well can be enormous. The key benefit of this process is that it documents agreements and archives related documentation for future reference. I hope you have enjoyed learning about project procurement management, and I'll see you in the next video where we will begin our discussion of project stakeholder management. Thanks for watching.